Today, I will give you a cool tutorial on Sapphire Bot. It has a lot of cool features, but before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. Everything here is for free. Recently, we have also crossed 7K members. Alright, back to the topic. Download Sapphire Bot. The link will be in the bio. Drag the role at the top and give admin perm. Let's start. This is dashboard. The coolest feature here is AI moderation. I love it. You can pick a bunch of different options here. I don't think this is available in Mi 6 or any other moderation bot. But the stuff that I love is, it has this sensitivity thingy. You can pick anything and test how it works. But since it's in beta, it may be in testing right now. Now it's the moderation. I think everything is pretty basic here, nothing new. You can test this yourself. But the best part is, these features are not paid or premium. As for social notifications, it's useful if you're a YouTuber or Twitch streamer. You can notify your audience when you stream or post your video. Don't forget to make a separate channel for that. Here you can assign roles when users join your server. There are many varieties in that. You can check it out yourself. Now this is reaction roles. Similar to how we do in Carl Bot. But I kind of found this one easier. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this after trying out. These are welcome, leave, boost messages. I am sure you can figure this out yourself. Let me know if they're better than Mimu and other bots. And now it's just logging channels. You can even find that in Carl Bot. I am sure most of the features here are better than other bots. But anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button. I hope you learned a lot from it and also enjoyed watching.